Hey guys, welcome back. It's a beautiful day. I do have this 2019 Kia Stinger. It is turbo GDI, 2.0 engine in it, and I gave it to my coworker, and he thinks it needs a starter. The starter leaves right there. I asked him why, and he said he can able to hear the relay clicks over here. And I'm like, okay, could be the starter, right? But my boss want me to go ahead and double check it. So first, let's go ahead and verify the concern. So you can jump start your Stinger here, and there is a ground right there, and right now we got only 6.7. I'm just gonna boost this up. There we go. Now we got 11.3. Let's go ahead and verify it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and press the brake. Start. Nope. No crank, no start condition, guys. Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear it. He is right. I can able to hear the relay. But is that gonna be the start relay? I don't know. Okay, so let's go ahead and dig more. It's another Stinger here. Oh, this one is a used car. Oh no, it's a customer's car. Okay, just gonna remove this jump box and let's figure this out. Where is the start relay? There you go. This is the start relay, which is this one. I don't have anybody to go ahead and start the engine for me, and I don't have my schematics. But we can always start checking the fuse, right? Where is it? Okay, so this is the start fuse right here. It is 30 amp. It's a big one. And that's all. It's right here. It's right here, guys. Hopefully I can pick it up. There we go. Nope, we don't need a starter, guys. What we need right now is 30 amp fuse. It's blown right there. It's an open circuit. I'm not sure though. I'm not looking at the schematic, but we got obvious problem here, which is this fuse. But he said he can able to hear the relay, but there's a lot of relay involved here, and the relay supposed to be this one right here. But well, let me go ahead and replace this one really quick, and let's see what happened. Okay guys, so I do have one. This one is 30 amp, same rating and same color. Just gonna go put this in. I'm just gonna put this one in my pocket. Install the jump box. And turn it on. 9.4. Try to boost it a little bit. Now we got 11.2. Alright, let's go start this guy. Oh, also needs a starter. Here we go. It did start, but okay guys, it did start, but it might also need a starter. Or maybe I'm just low on battery. I'm just gonna let it charge the battery and then we're gonna start it again. You know what guys, let's go inside because it's getting hot. Alright, let's drive it in. I'm running out of fuel, 1 mile to empty. Thank you, customer. Alright, let's go in so we can able to do some inspection and let the battery charge. We can also check the battery condition. It's dead earlier. Alright guys, so I made it in. I'm just gonna let it idle. Well, I can't because I have only 1 mile. I'm just gonna go ahead and charge the battery and check it as well.
Ryan, he's running the seat of that soul. I'm assuming he's.
Oh, you know what, buddy? You are my lifesaver. I've been looking for this.
Yeah.
Since I parked the soul back.
I was like, I feel like those are probably yours.
Thank you. Okay guys, so we're just gonna charge the battery. The battery's all the way down there. Excuse me. Well, I can charge it from the engine bay, but this is the best way to do it. Oh man. Okay. Okay, this one collapsed, but the battery is exposed now, so we can charge it. Alright guys, so I did pull out the schematics for better understanding. So this is the relay right here, and this is the 30 amp that we replaced. It is good now. So in number 1 pin, we're supposed to get power, and on number 2, if this connector here all the way, if we don't have any open circuit, we're supposed to get ground through there. So if the solenoid is good all the way there, we should get ground, right? Alright guys, so I did pull out the relay right there. So this one is the signal. This is the one we're supposed to get power, which is good. And this one, the signal, we got only 2.4, which is good. And this pin right here is the one straight all the way to the starter. So if we have ground here, that means the circuit is good. So there you go. And this one right here is the one connected to this 30 amp fuse that we replaced. And it's now so good. So now we can recommend this starter and the 30 amp fuse over there. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye. bye.